What is the SMM panel? Social media marketing panel. Get your social accounts followers and likes at one place instantly. How to search a best SMM panel? I am giving you a best panel link. SafeSMMserver.com. How to use SMM panel? You can use any browser. I am using a
Google Chrome browser.
Here you can search SMM panel. SafeSMMserver.com, like safe then search. Here you can log in and sign up. You have already account, you can directly log in here, and you have no account, then create the account, sign up. Here sign up, full name, username, email, password, repeat password, then click on here, click I am not a robot,
Click on
sign up. You can log in here, username, I am saved my ID and password, I can use, continue. Here you can add manually, click on login. Panel total orders, here total spend 0, total balance 0. Click on triple line, you can use multiple cans here. Orders, here you can check your orders, here services, here ticket, and you can add your fund here, add funds. We have accepted all payment methods. You can check methods here. Click on triple line, new order, click here. Click on category, what you need. Premium accounts, followers, Google, YouTube. Discord and many more services here. If you want YouTube view, you can select low quality with no refill. You can select medium quality refill and high quality refill. I am suggesting you use HQ refill. Here many more services. You can use anyone.
You can change category for other services.
Instagram followers. Here low quality followers, medium quality and high quality. Click on high quality. Here you can use many more services. Click on it and enter your Instagram account link here. You can use your Instagram username. Enter your quantity, how much you need followers. Here showing charge, click on submit button. You are out of balance, please recharge your balance. First recharge your balance, then you can order anyone. Here you can see service help must read, how to place pending orders, what is pending orders, processing order, in progress, complete, partial, cancel, R30, what is R30, AR30, what is AR30, you can see here. Rules, you can read all terms and conditions here. If you any support, then contact on their WhatsApp numbers.